Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This week we're going to try something else. Well, I should say not this week, but this weekend. So we're going to try something special. Well, we did it before, but what I wanted to do is to try and see what's going to be the result with silicone and rubbing alcohol, which we're going to put after we do a fluid pouring. So I want to see really what happened with the reaction of the products with the acrylic afterwards. So we'll see what happened. I think something should happen. We never know. So let's go and try it. Okay, so yes, there is a result. There is something happening when we put those products afterwards on our acrylic. But we have to admit that the effect that it gives, it's not worth the trouble. It's not worth doing it afterwards. Still, it's better to mix with our acrylic before doing our fluid pouring or flip cup or something else. But still, it's nice. But like I said, the result is unconclusive, meaning that I don't see why we should do it that way. And well, first and foremost, I wanted to see what happens with different products, but as you can see, nothing much. So I don't think it's worth doing it that way, that's for sure. So guys, I hope you enjoy, and please guys, like always, join me on Instagram. I'm going to put the link in the video description so you can join us. I think it's more personal. We can add a photo of the path and everything. It's kind of an interesting way to stay in contact. So if you want to, like I said, I'm going to put the link. And if you're interested in buying one of my paintings, they all start at 20 bucks. So you can contact me in private in my Hotmail, and we'll talk about it. So guys, like always, thanks for being there, and I hope you're gonna come back. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Ciao.